What's going on, folks? And welcome to day one of my 2004 Dodge Stratus rebuild. As you can see, it is not in the best condition, dog. Flat tire here, ashy tail lights, flat tire here, donut here. The roof peeling, scraped up, scratched up. And let's not even begin to talk on this interior. Yeah, it's bad. And to top it all off, I am dealing with a blown head gasket. But nevertheless, the car still run and drive perfectly fine. So follow along with me as I rebuild my 2004 Dodge Stratus RT Coupe.